Hello friends, today we are going to discuss class 8 chapter 2 which is exponent or power. Before starting this chapter we have to know about some terminology which is used in this chapter and the terms to solve the questions of this chapter. As it's saying that let x be a number and m be a positive integer, then x to the power or x raised to the power m means x into x into x, how many times? M times means the number of powers time. And it is to be read x raised to the power m, where x is called base and m is called power or exponent. Means suppose a question, these two represent to base and 3 represent to power. Means the value of 3 raised to the power 2 means 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay? This 2 represent to base and this 3 represent to exponent or power. Is it clear? The next term is if the base of any exponential form is negative and exponent is even number, then result will be positive, else result will be negative. Suppose a number given like this, same, in place of 2, the base is negative and the power is even. So as you know that one, minus into minus become plus and plus into minus become minus and minus into plus is equal to minus and plus into plus is equal to plus. So in that case, if the power is too big or the 100, 105, 372 and the question is asked, the result will be negative or positive. So don't be in the confusion or don't try to make guess for it. Just see the base is negative and if the power is even number, the result will be positive. Is it clear? So it means there are minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. How many times? 4 times. So no need to multiply minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. Just see the power is given even, so result will be positive. And this is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 and it is in positive. Suppose the question is given 2 to the power minus 2 raised to the power 3. It means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. No need to minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. No need to think about that or calculate about that. Just see the base is negative, power is odd number, so result will be negative. And 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay? So write this terminology and we will discuss about the law of exponents. Okay? Write it. Okay, now we are going to discuss about law of exponents. Law of exponents saying if a by b, this is not necessary to this is be a rational number, this may be integer also or the whole number also. Okay? So if a by b is a rational number and m and n be any two integer, then a by b raised to the power m into a by b raised to the power n is equal to a by b m raised to the power m plus n. Or in general term, you can say that in case of multiplication, if the base are same and the power are different, then the power are to be added. This much only. Suppose a number given like 2 by 3 to the power 3 into 2 by 3 to the power 2, it means the base are same, power are different and they have to multiply, and that case is take the common base which is 2 by 3, and power is to be added means 3 plus 2, which is 2 by 3 to the power 5. Okay. The next one is in case of division. If the base are same, power are different, then power are to be subtracted from bigger to smaller. Okay, as the m1 is bigger and n is smaller, in that case, suppose a condition like 2 by 3 to the power 3 divided by 2 by 3 to the power 2, it means take the common base, which is 2 by 3, and we have to subtract the smaller value, a smaller power from the bigger power, which is 3 minus 2, which is 2 by 3 to the power 1, or 2 by 3 only. Is it? In case where n is greater, suppose the 2 by 3 to the power 3 divided by 2 by 3 to the power 4. Then what it's saying? Just write its reciprocal, means we have to write 3 by 2 to the power 3 minus 4. Okay, just this becomes the reciprocal of it, and same 3 minus 2, here 3 minus 4. What will get? 3 by 2 to the power minus 1. So it becomes 1 by 3 by 2, or this becomes 2 by 3. Okay, if you not want to think about the which one is greater and which one is small, just you know that the power of denominator is going to be subtract. In that case, suppose I have written 1 by 2 by 3 to the power 3 divided by 2 by 3 to the power 4. Okay, as you know this format, we have to just write this format only. What you will get? 2 by 3 to the power 3 minus 4. Then what you will get? Minus. This is the denominator, na? So it becomes minus 4. Leave this one. Okay. Forward, back, problem. Okay. Leave it. Next one is, in case of, suppose the number is given like this, then 2 by 3 is given, power of 2 by 3 is 3, and whole to the power, raised to the power 2, then it means 2 by 3 to the power 3 into 2, which is 2 by 3 to the power 6. Is it? Write this one.